In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to install Photoshop beta version and 10 tips and tricks to use Generative Fill in the best possible way for new Photoshop beta version. So it should be a lot of fun. Let's begin. Step 1. Installation of Photoshop beta app. To access that, you must be having one account in Creative Cloud. So if you have that, then go to this app section in the right hand side or in the top left hand side after home option. From here, you will go to beta app section. Here, you will get the installed app in the upper section and the uninstalled apps in the lower section. So go to install and press install button. It might take some while to install it in your desktop or your laptop. So once it is installed, you can see it has come to installed beta app section. It will not come in all app section. If you want to get it, you'll have to come to beta app section, and from there you can get it in installed beta app section. And now you will have to open this. Just click on open in order to open the app.
Once installed, go to this top left hand side corner icon, PS icon, and this dashboard will open. Now here you will have to go to this file option and go to open, and then you can access all the pictures. So in the first place, I will be sharing how to expand a frame. Therefore, I will choose my picture from here and open. Next thing is, you'll have to select this layer option and go to unlock option. In order to increase the frame, you'll have to go to this crop tool. Once you go to this crop tool, make sure that this part, it is selected ratio, and these two width and length, these two parts are blank because it will be customized, right? So now you can drag it from either of the sides or from both the sides. And next, go to this lasso tool option and just select the part you want to expand, and then go to this Generative Fill option and just go generate. You don't have to give any prompt. Look, it has on a blink, it has created flawlessly this part completely. Now you have 3 variants. You can check either of this, whichever is best according to you. You can take that. According to me, this third one is best, so I will keep that. Same way, I will go to this lasso tool and select this part. Make sure you select a bit of the main image, that way the Generative Fill will get a better reference. And then go to Generative Fill, and without any command you can just go generate and just wait for a while. So nice, isn't it? Again you get 3 different parts, so whichever is suitable for you, you can keep. I am keeping the middle one. Now I am done with this picture, so if I am happy with it, you can go to this file option and go to export and quick export as PNG. Now one more thing, if you are not satisfied with either of this, then you can continue generating it from here or from this Generative Fill layer in the right hand side. Next point is erase unwanted object. I don't want this boat, therefore I will go to this lasso tool and I will select this boat and just go to Generative Fill and generate. It will automatically remove the object which I have selected. So again I have got 3 variants, and all these layers are also being shown in layer section. Let us move on to the next point. I want to add one girl sitting here reading a book. So for that, I will go to again this lasso tool, this option, and I will have to indicate the area. Now when you are making an object, indicating sufficient area is very important. So once I selected with the lasso tool, I'll go to Generative Fill and I will type my prompt. Now my prompt is given. I will go to generate and check how the image is coming. So once you're happy, you can go to this file option, again go to export and quick export as PNG. Let's move on to the next part. Okay, so I want a plant here, so plant. So I have got 3 variants, and if I like this one, then I can go to save or export the same way I have shown you. Okay, let us move on to the next part. changing the color of sky it takes a good amount of experience and expertise as an editor or the photo editor. But here, just by a click, we will be changing the color and the mood of this entire sky and entire photo. So for that, I will have to go to this lasso tool again, and I'll have to select the sky part. I'll have to go to Generative Fill, and I will give. They have created 3 different variants. So you can notice, as per the color of the sky, they have also changed the color of the other part of the image. When it is brighter side, and it has made the other image brighter, and same way when it is in darker side, see the tree and other part has also become darker. So it is an amazing feature, must try, and give me a comment, let me know how you tried this feature. And for now, let's move on to the next part. Now I'll change the facial expression. For that, you can go to lasso tool again and just select this area, and then give smile and generate, and let's see how the expression changes. Well, nicely the Photoshop beta has changed the expression. Let us move on to the next part. Well, I'll be changing the tire as well as I'll add some accessories. So let me just put it here and add crown or hat. Okay, it has given 3 variants, so you can choose any of these. If you're not liking either of it, then you can again change it to generate. Now let us move on and make her wear a shirt. So I will select this part and give Generative Fill a red dress. See how nicely we have got a beautiful red dress on this model. So it's amazing. Do let me know in the comment section how you used this to change the tire of any picture or model. And let's move on to the next part. Next is remove the background. So I have got this picture. I will go to this layer option and remove background. So this is how you can remove the background. And let us go to the next part. Next, you can go to File and go to New option to get a new blank page. So you'll have to open the background and go to Generative Fill and type anything. So I have got 3 variants again. Cat on a sofa, whichever I like, I may keep. If I don't like either of them, then I have all the freedom to generate it as many times as I want. Now we are at the final point where we will be creating a sky reflection here. So for that, first go to crop tool, make sure the ratio is selected and both the length and width are blank, and then just increase at the bottom of the picture. Then go to lasso tool and select the bottom part which we have increased. Then go to Generative Fill and type reflection. So they have given 3 variants, 1, 2 and 3. I like the second one the most, so I will keep this, and I will go to this file option and export and quick export as PNG. So if you like this tutorial, make sure you give me a like. Today this much. If you are a struggling YouTuber, make sure you watch the video which is coming up next.
3 reasons why new YouTubers fail. First is they only focus on creating content and they never invest time in learning how to do it in the right way. Second is they don't know how exactly the videos go viral. They don't know how to pick up the right video topic which can help them to get more views as well. Third is they are not aware of the features that are available in YouTube which can help them to get more views, subscribers as well. If you want to scale your channel 5x faster and earn more than 50,000 rupees per month by creating videos based on your passion, skill or talent, then YouTube Masterclass is for you. Just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. Hi, I'm Shriram Benur, content creator of channel A2C, which has more than million plus subscribers. And right now, I have been coaching more than 2,000 plus students from across multiple countries, rated 4.9 on Trustpilot. In the 90-minute YouTube Masterclass, you're going to learn why you should consider YouTube, how exactly YouTube works, what are the skills that are needed to be a YouTuber, 3 powerful strategies which can help you to get more views, more subscribers, more video engagement, more click-through rate, and which can help you to earn more money as well. So just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube masterclass. See you live.
So I being his affiliate, I have already given the link in the description for his masterclass. Please do join in his masterclass and enrich your knowledge about being an YouTuber. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please consider to click the subscription button below and press the bell notification next to it. Please do like, share my content with others so that I can thrive every single day for creating better content for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.